Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we take you through our 12-hour magical day at Disneyland Paris and share with you our tips on how to make the most of your adventure when visiting with kids. Let's go!
She's running ahead already. He's so excited. Oh, this is the anniversary decoration, no? This is the anniversary decoration.
We chose a hotel outside of the park, which I will share at the end. Once we entered the park, we went all the way across to Adventureland, to one of the most popular attractions. We wanted to get this done while the queues were still manageable. As our daughter was not tall enough for the roller coaster, we split and I did it only with Lucas. At the end, I asked for a standby family ticket so my husband could come and ride it without queuing again. We used this several times during the day and it saved us lots of time.
So we swapped with Toby. He's doing the Thunder Mountain. We're doing the Phantom Manor.
After the Phantom Manor, we swapped kids again and I rode the Indiana Jones roller coaster with Lucas. I found the Thunder Mountain to be a smoother ride and more enjoyable. By now, it was close to midday and the queues were getting longer at the popular attractions. We decided to ride together It's a Small World, a boat ride for the whole family. Larissa was so tired from so much excitement that she fell asleep as we climbed into the boat.
Heading to Discoveryland. We're queuing for Buzz now. Ah, see Buzz. I see him.
Flight deck from medium launch to infinity and beyond.
To infinity and beyond.
美国做刚刚的福利是那个4年后总部会面的那是
Larissa is doing very well, right?
Downloading the Disney app, it's a must. At this time, we were keeping an eye for the queue times at Pirates of the Caribbean on this app. Once I saw it going under 20 minutes, we went for it. This ride was an absolute blast for the whole family. Afterwards, we had lunch at Jack's, the themed restaurant just in the start of the attraction. The food and the atmosphere were great. We booked the restaurant on the app about a month ahead of our visit.
How was the pirate?
wet.
Wet.
After riding the Mad Hatter's Caps, we went over to Disney Studios Park to ride Ratatouille, our favorite dark ride of all. The 3D glasses and the effects made this such a great experience that Lucas wanted to ride it twice.
This is the Ratatouille restaurant.
Still in the studios, we also went for the Tower of Terror. I found the theming and the attraction pretty great, but Lucas got a bit scared at the end as it involved a few sudden drops into the void. However, I would not miss this ride when we go back to Disneyland. Lucas wanted to do the Cars attraction in the studios to catch his breath after the Tower of Terror. I took Larissa to the Disneyland Park and joined another dark ride themed after the story of Peter Pan. This one had a pretty constant 20 to 30 minutes queue throughout the day, and it only got a bit quieter in the late afternoon. Unfortunately, Lucas was not tall enough for Hyperspace Mountain, so only the parents did the ride, taking turns and using the standby ticket. Next, it was Autopia.
Yeah, we're going. How's it going? You're driving? Very good. Bus is 10 now. When we did it, it was 25, but it was great fun for the kids.
It was now closer to sunset, and it was time to find our places for the end of the day shows and fireworks. Before we share the information of our hotel, it would be great if you could like our video. This way, more families would find it. We really appreciate it. We stayed at the Grand Magic Hotel, a 15-minute ride from the park with the free park shuttle. It has a big garden and the covered pool for the kids to enjoy. It can, however, be very hectic at breakfast around 8:30 am, and the return shuttle is absolutely packed at the end of the day with lots of tired parents and kids. We still enjoyed it, however, and would recommend it, especially for the wonderful lobby decorations. This wraps up our first Disney adventure. The kids loved it and will surely be back when they are a bit older to enjoy more rides. See you in the next video!